angle alpha and letter B, Y. No? These are the two unknown. Okay? So, to solve for, you can get ahead of alpha, you can also solve Y directly. For alpha, you have there, what will you have? Opposite to alpha. Opposite hypotenuse. Sine, di ba? Solution, sine alpha is equal to, opposite to alpha is 4 meters. Divided by
5
hypotenuse 5 meters.
5.
So alpha now is equal to arc sine of 4/5. Okay?
Calcube.
Okay? So yet now, if you will find the calculator, arc sine of alpha 4/5 is equal to 53 point. Okay? Alpha now is 53.13
Point.
degrees. So that is your alpha. Okay? So yet now, for the other required, anong required? What is required? Letter B. What is letter B? You can use the Pythagorean theorem. So, from Pythagorean, C square, the longest length, is equal to A square plus B square. What is the longest length? 5. So, ilagay mo si 5. You write 5 square equal to A square, you do not know, plus B square. Si B is 4. So 4 square. So you just simplify, transfer sa kabila, A square will be equal to 5 square minus. Okay, 4 square. So A is equal to, when you extract the square root, plus and minus, because there are two values for a square. The second degree will always have two values or two variables or two roots, no? So 5 square root of, di ba? 5 square is 25. Okay? 25 plus and minus 25 minus 16. So A will be equal to plus and minus the square root of, what is 25 minus 16?
9.
9. So 9, the square root of 9 is
3.
So A will be plus and minus
3.
So meaning to say, both positive and negative is actually 3.